Most people wait for motivation before doing hard things. That's the problem. Motivation is unreliable. It shows up when it feels like it, usually when the task is easy or fun. But when it's time to do something uncomfortable, your brain's first instinct is to protect you. This is hard. Let's avoid it. Here's the trick. You can train your brain to actually crave the hard stuff, not tolerate it. Don't dread it, crave it. Think about the gym. The first time you go, it feels awful. Your muscles ache, you're sweating, you feel out of place. But keep showing up, and your brain starts connecting that discomfort with progress. Eventually, you want that burn because you know it means you're getting stronger. That same rewiring works for everything: studying, building a business, having difficult conversations. It starts with understanding something called dopamine association. Your brain chases rewards. If you keep rewarding yourself only after easy tasks, your brain will keep craving easy wins. But if you attach rewards to the hard stuff, your brain starts to see discomfort as a doorway to pleasure. For example, finish a brutal workout, pair it with your favorite smoothie. Complete a deep work session, treat yourself to a guilt-free break. Soon your brain links hard with good. The second step is to start small but daily. Don't jump into the most painful, high-resistance thing on day one. You'll quit. Instead, pick one thing that's just beyond your comfort zone and do it every day for 2 weeks. Cold showers, reading instead of scrolling, calling that one person you've been avoiding. The consistency is what rewires your brain, not random bursts of effort. Third, change your self-talk. Stop saying, "I have to do this," and start saying, "I get to do this." It sounds cheesy, but language changes your emotional state. Athletes don't say, "I have to train today." They say, "This is how I win." The words you choose become the frame your brain works inside. And here's the main thing that most people miss. Don't just celebrate result. Celebrate the act of doing the hard thing. The day you push through resistance is already a win, even if the outcome isn't perfect. That's how you train your brain to enjoy the process, not just the finish line. Every time you choose hard over easy, you're building mental calluses. Just like lifting weights, those calluses make you stronger. At first, it's an effort. Then it becomes an identity. You're no longer someone who tries to do hard things. You're the person who needs them to feel alive. Hard things stop feeling like punishment. They start feeling like power. And once you experience that shift, you'll never go back.